Welcome back to our channel. Question 5 is about endosymbiotic theory. It is a demonstration of biology. You need to remember it by a story, okay? Origin of mitochondria. So remember, mitochondria is a place that's where aerobic respiration occurs, okay? It means that this thing before is outside, okay? Not inside the cell. So before we have something like this, it can have aerobic respiration. And then the other thing is bigger than it, but it can't do so. So it tried to engulf it. Okay, gobble it up. Wow. Swallow it inside. And then this aerobic thing survive inside and becomes the mitochondria. So try to remember it in some funny or story way. And then you find it easier to digest the thing. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is C, you can see. Big thing engulfed by small. No. Engulfed by. Oh, sorry. Passive was wrong. I no. Sorry. So it's not this one. This one is big thing being engulfed by small thing. Oh, no. Sorry. Passive was. Okay. So which one? B. Yeah. Small aerobic bacteria survive inside an aerobic prokaryote. Okay. What happened before is engulfing. Okay. And then what is A actually? The origin of chloroplast. Yeah, sure. You know, this is explain the origin of chloroplast. How about it? Yeah, it is the general formation of the chloroplast or mitochondria for both situation A and D. How the thing, how the bacteria inside form an organ and membrane bounded organs. Okay, it is this thing. Okay, for the part option D. So our answer is B. You got it? Yes, just remember the story. I know IBDP, the story is very long compared with your previous GCE, IG, or whatever understanding. But try to remember it as a story, and we can do it. Cause we are awesome. Okay, see you for next question. Bye.